This is how your iPhone could recognize and tell you the name of any song that's playing near you. So you have to make sure the song is playing. I'm just going to play it on my computer. Open Control Center, tap this icon right here. And it says right up here what the name of the song is. You can tap on that, and that gives you more information about the song. You can open it in Apple Music, and super cool. And you can do this in a loud coffee shop, noisy restaurant, on a bus. You can hold headphones near your phone and have them loud enough so your phone can hear them, and it'll tell you what song is playing, which is a super cool feature. And it's built right in. There's no apps you have to install, and it's totally free. So if I open the Control Center again, this is the little icon for that service. It's called Shazam. If you don't see that here, just tap and hold on any open part of your Control Center, like down here, or tap on this plus icon, and then tap on Add a Control, and you want to look for one called Recognize Music. If you don't see it here, scroll down or search for it, and eventually you'll find it. Then you just tap on it to add it to your Control Center, and then with the flick of your finger to open the Control Center and one tap, you'll have the ability to recognize any song. And if you think your phone battery is dying a lot faster than it used to, or a lot faster than you think it should, there's a bunch of settings you can tweak to make your battery last longer. This video shows you all of them. So check out that video, and if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.